like, it was all official, a slate kind of thing. So, you know what, guys? I want to welcome you to the Grit and Glam like video podcast.
Yeah, I think that's what we're doing.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm really scared right now.
Okay, so in one of our podcasts, Allison had said that when she was learning to put on her fake lashes, she actually glued her lashes into her eyebrow.
Yeah. Well, they were there. They were there. They were like this.
And so I had made a comment about magnetic lashes, and she was talking about how she didn't really like magnetic lashes. And so anyway, we had this whole lash thing. And so we decided that we were going to do a video on lashes because homegirl here said that she was just stuck to her regular glue lashes and that, you know, magnetic lashes weren't all that easy for her and she had issues with it. So what we are going to do is we are going to talk through putting on magnetic lashes, and she is going to kind of talk through putting on her glue lashes and the tips and tricks of her knowing how to do.
Let me just put a disclaimer out here, okay? This is the worst thing that I do in regards to my makeup. I am not the person to teach you how to put on glue on lashes. This is going to be a hot mess. So
then why do you do it?
Because I want the lashes.
Okay, but I'm like giving you the lashes in an easy form.
Yeah, but I've tried that magnetic stuff and it just feels, maybe it's psychological.
Well, maybe you just didn't have the right products.
That could be true. We're about to find out. I mean, they're about to see me fail.
Okay, so here, we're not going to fail. You'll get them on eventually.
But where will they be? Where will they be?
You know, I don't know what to say about that. So here's what we're going to do. We're actually going to have a contest. We are going to see whose lashes goes on the easiest, whose lashes goes on the quickest, and you know, and you can't use my background as a professional makeup artist against me in this because I'm not good at the glue. Like, there really is a learning curve to the glue. Now, I can put the glue on you in like 1 minute. But myself, hang it up. I tried it once and I was like, nah, I'll just stick to my cuties. They're good. So these, I have actually tested and tried several brands of magnetic lashes, from the cheap ones on Amazon to the expensive ones. And these are a little pricier. So these are Tori Belle. They're the Tori Belle Magnetic Lashes, and this particular set is Date Night. And so
I like that name.
I know, right? They're nice and they're full and they're fluffy, and so you'll get to see what they look like on. But this is the brand that I have really kind of settled in, that I really just think is a really nice brand. It's a good brand. I have worn this set of lashes at least 6 times, and I've washed them.
So how much do you cost though?
So they run about $35 a pair. Your first initial pair setup is going to cost you a little bit more because you're going to have to buy the glue and the little tweezer kits. So that's a little bit for your first setup. But after that, you can easily change your lashes up. Like, you put a pair on, you're like, no, I don't want that. And you can put on a lighter pair. And so they have a variety.
They have different varieties.
Yes.
And you can use the same liner for all of them.
Absolutely. Okay. And this liner is waterproof, which is shocking. And I tested the waterproof when I took Grace off. You can see that video on my Instagram. I tested the waterproof and it lasted 2 days.
Wow.
Yeah. So, okay. Are you ready to put some lashes on?
Hold on. Let me tell them about mine. Mine are from H-E-B. They're like $8. Okay. And they're called Page Boy. I don't know what that means, but they're supposed to be fuller.
Oh, those are actually really pretty.
Yeah, I think they're pretty.
Yeah, they're wispies. Wispies are fabulous.
I have no idea what that means. Okay, and then I have my glue that I use for everything. It's just basic. What is it?
I don't know.
It's just a strip lash. I don't know where I got it from, but it's the one I use. So this is how professional I am.
Okay, I use Ardell glue. In my kit, I use the Ardell glue.
This is the Kiss glue.
Okay.
So that's what I'm using.
Alrighty, you ready?
I guess.
Okay, here we go. So we're gonna put on, and do you want to tell them how you do it, or do you want me to tell how I'm doing it? How do we want to do this?
I just throw these hoes on. I mean, that's just what I do.
I just throw these hoes on. Again.
You might have to harm me. Sorry.
Okay, well, according to Dyers, It's as easy as putting eyeliner on, letting it dry, and then placing the lashes on. So that's what y'all are going to see me do. Put the eyeliner on, let it dry, and put the lashes on. So.
Okay, so what y'all are going to see me do is pull these off. I'm going to put the glue on the lashes, and then I'm going to blow on it so the glue can dry.
You're going to blow? Wait, you dry the glue before you put them on your lash?
It has to dry and get tacky.
Okay, it doesn't dry, it gets tacky.
Yeah.
So you don't want it completely dry.
That's correct.
You might want to clarify that.
Okay, we want it tacky. We want tacky lashes.
Ah, you need to be a little tacky.
Yeah, before you can look glam. So start tacky.
Okay, are you ready? I got to turn my
I mean,
mirror
we're
over.
in a competition, so I'm like, let's do this. This is a
Like,
race.
she's like, okay, let's go. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Set, let's roll.
Okay. Oh, dang it.
I'm done. So,
Wait, I'm almost done.
So if you want easy, simple, long-lasting ways, our lashes and false lashes to give you a little more of a dramatic look, magnetic lashes are super fast and super simple and super easy.
I'm almost there.
You don't have to worry about gluing your finger to your eye or your lashes in your brow. Are you freaking out?
I'm hurrying. You beat me already.
Well, then why are you hurrying? I'm done.
Oh. Wait.
Yeah.
Y'all, it looks a lot better when I'm at home and I'm doing this. For sure.
And you're not in a race?
Yeah, and I'm not in a race to win.
Well, you didn't win.
I know.
So I don't know why you're still racing.
I was doing the disclaimer. I was doing this against a professional makeup artist.
We don't have that disclaimer
Okay,
that
okay.
that's
Well,
not
I'm
a viable thing because I don't put lashes on myself.
Okay.
And you put them on all the time, so you actually have more experience putting them on yourself than I do.
Yeah, but not with all the pressure. Okay. Okay. Yours are fuller though.
They are, because I like full, flashy lashes. Alrighty, so you've got it there, how easy it is to do magnetic lashes. You actually did that pretty quick for putting on glue lashes. Now my question is are they on?
No.
No. So what do you need to do to make sure they're on?
For myself, what I do to make sure they're on is after I apply them, and I don't know if this is the right thing to do or not. I'm sure people will probably tell me it's wrong, but I go back in and I add a little bit more glue.
Oh, yeah, to keep them down.
Just right there.
Uh-huh.
So that if I get a little crazy, which I always do.
Okay. So my only disclaimer for that, if you guys decide you want to do that, is if you're like me and have little to no lid, like see, she's got a lot of eyelid. I don't have a lot of that, so there's a good chance I'd glue my eyes shut if I did that.
I just want to say thank you, Becky Does Botox, that I do have eyelid because it keeps my eyebrows way high.
Well, my eyebrows are high, and I still don't have lids, so that's a genetic thing.
Is it?
It is. So some of us just don't have the lid, and so if you are interested in getting some magnetic lashes, I'll drop the link below, and you can pick out your pair. If you have any questions, let me know. Crazy.